Picking the right drone today feels confusing. There are too many options, and each one claims to be the best. I have seen many people waste money on drones that do not meet their needs. That is why I created this simple guide for you. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started and find the best drone that truly fits your style and budget. Number 5. Best Potensic Atom 2 drone with camera for adults. If you want a feature-rich drone without spending too much, this one stands out. I like how it balances performance and price. It feels like a smart pick for beginners and casual creators. The camera quality is impressive for this range. You get sharp video and clear photos. It works well for travel clips and social media content. The footage looks smooth thanks to the 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which helps reduce shake. The battery life is another strong point. With multiple batteries, you can fly longer without stress. This is helpful if you're filming outdoors or exploring new places. The 96-minute flight time gives you more freedom to enjoy flying. One thing I noticed is that while it has great features, the app experience could feel slightly basic for advanced users. Still, for most people, it works fine. The 8K photo and 4K HDR video feature gives you detailed shots, even in tricky lighting. Overall, it feels like a solid mid-range choice that delivers real value. Number 4. Best Potensic Atom SE GPS drone. This drone feels like it was made for beginners. It is simple, light, and easy to carry. If you're just starting, this one makes the learning process smooth. I like how compact it is. You can fold it and take it anywhere. That makes it great for travel and quick outdoor shoots. The lightweight, under 249-gram design also means fewer restrictions in many areas. Flight stability is surprisingly good. Even in moderate wind, it holds position well. The level 5 wind resistance gives you confidence while flying outside. The camera is decent. It records clear video, though not as advanced as higher models. Still, it's good enough for casual use and sharing online. The 4K electronic image stabilization camera helps keep footage steady. One downside is that low light performance is not the best. It works better during the day, but for the price, it delivers more than expected. If you want something affordable and easy, this is a smart pick. Number 3. Best Sky Rover X1 Fly More Combo. This drone feels more advanced and powerful. It's a great option if you want better performance and longer flight time. The first thing that stands out is its range. You can fly far without losing connection. That gives you more creative freedom when shooting wide scenes. The long-distance transmission capability is a big advantage. Image quality is also strong. Photos look sharp and videos feel smooth. It works well for travel, nature, and even small projects. The 8K photo and 4K 60 frames video feature makes a noticeable difference. Another highlight is safety. It includes sensors that help avoid obstacles. This makes flying easier, especially for new users. The 360-degree sensing system adds extra confidence. However, the price is higher compared to basic drones. Also, beginners might need some time to learn all features. Overall, it's a great mix of power and smart features for users who want more than entry-level performance. Number 2. Best DJI Mini 4K drone. This drone is one of the most popular choices, and for good reason. It offers reliable performance and strong build quality. I like how easy it is to control. Even if you're new, you'll feel comfortable quickly. The flight system is smooth and stable. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures your videos look clean and professional. The camera delivers clear and sharp footage. It works well in different lighting conditions. The 4K ultra-high definition video gives you crisp visuals for personal or online use. Another great thing is portability. It's light and easy to carry anywhere. The under 249-gram design makes it travel-friendly. The only limitation is that it comes with fewer advanced features compared to premium models, but for most users, it's more than enough. If you want a trusted and balanced drone, this is a very safe choice. Number 1. Best Pick DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo. This is the top choice on the list, and it truly feels like a premium drone. It's designed for people who want the best performance and quality. The camera system is excellent. You get detailed shots with great color and clarity. It works well in both day and low light conditions. The 1-inch CMOS dual camera system gives you more flexibility when shooting. Flight safety is another reason it ranks first. It has advanced sensors that detect obstacles from all sides. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance makes flying safer and easier. Battery performance is also impressive. With multiple batteries, you can fly longer without interruptions. The extended flight time with 3 batteries is perfect for long sessions. In the United States, this type of drone is popular among content creators and travelers who want high-quality footage without compromise. The only drawback is the price. It's expensive, but if you want top-level performance, it's worth it. Final verdict. If you want the best overall drone, the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo is the clear winner. It offers top-level camera quality, strong safety features, and long flight time. It's perfect for serious users who want premium results. For a more budget-friendly option, the DJI Mini 4K is a great choice. It's easy to use, reliable, and delivers solid performance for everyday needs. No matter which one you choose, each drone on this list has something valuable to offer. Check the links in the description to see the latest prices and find the best deal for you.